Hello, my friends. I must tell you something. Something that you probably already know. YouTube has chosen to delete many videos. Good stuff. Good stuff. And they choose to leave garbage. Garbage for everyone to see. I know the future of YouTube, and it's going down the tubes. Down the YouTubes. Down. Wait. There is still hope. I am sitting here in this country bar, far away from home. For I am ashamed of my own computer. My own computer that has failed me time and time again. I don't mean crash. I don't mean freeze. I mean when I click the buttons, all I see is horrible videos on YouTube. What you are about to see is what is coming on YouTube. This is all you will see from this point on. We have been promised. The end of YouTube? No. The end of our viewing pleasure. So this is it. Let us pray together. Goodbye. Make sure the children have left the room.
Mother, you're getting hungry. Let's go with that, darling.